A virus is a small infectious agent that can infect all types of life forms. Main power of virus that it replicates with enormous speed. We know this concept as copy-paste. Virus copy-paste fast, but in Excel you need to copy-paste smart. This is mini tutorials that consist of 5 videos, so do not forget to subscribe not to miss any of them. In this video we are going to learn how to link two files using copy-paste functionality. So we are going to learn it with the following examples. We have two files. One of them, that one to the left, contains information consolidated from different sources. Information in the file represents weekly sales volumes in thousands of US dollars for several US cities. Data is basically extraction from the bigger table that we were using in previous video. So if you haven't watched it, don't forget to check it out after watching this video. One more thing. The file to the left is a master file. So that means that we are not allowed to change it anyhow, neither to add in any information or calculations, neither to delete it. So we may only copy this data or link to that. The second file, the one that we are having to the right, we are going to use for additional calculations and analysis. You may notice that in the second file there is already a table preset, so we are going to start here. What is the most common way to link to files? We are going to select the first cell of the table and insert an equal sign and then click to the similar table in the first file. So we have received a link that is connected to the test case database file, to the DB case worksheet, and to the address A1. So if we are going now to fulfill the whole data, we are going to receive basically nothing, because as you may notice, the link is fixed one, it's absolute. So to make it changed, we need to click the first cell and to change it to flexible one. So now it allows us to do that. If we are going to complete it here, we are going to see already the first weeks, and if we are going to move it down, basically you can see the whole information. The only problem that we have lost some information for the format, but still this is information that we are having in our table. What is a more efficient way to do that? So I will restore the whole information to the blank state, and we'll do the following. I'm going to select the full data in the first worksheet, and will then move to the second file and select paste special, paste link. So now you basically can see that as we were having already preset the formats, it is just using the same formats. Now we can analyze this data. For instance, I would like to see the information in the chart format for each city, despite the week the volume of sales were received. If we are going to do that, you will be able to see that the information for Los Angeles having the best results so far, and that's easy to see. You may ask me why I haven't copied the information. As we are having the master file and the information is widely consolidated from different sources, there can be human mistakes. And we are going to emulate one. So it's been found out that the results for second week is incorrect because the person who was completing the data for Los Angeles and New York just missed the name of the right city. So basically they have inserted the New York volumes to Los Angeles and Los Angeles to New York. So let's change them to each other. So we're going to insert results for New York to Los Angeles and results for Los Angeles to New York. If you are going to check out the second file, you are able to see that the data is actually changed, and now New York is on the second place after the Houston. This is the way we are creating links just in 2 clicks. I believe it is easy for you to use, and I'm personally using this a lot as I'm working a lot with master files. If you found this video interesting for you, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe not to miss the next one, and see you there. Cheers!